What song is next?
Oh, wait.
What song is next?
Let's put a different CD in. Okay. I thought you said you're going to get a
That's a video.
Oh! Wait, hello. I have to put on deodorant.
Can I film?
We need to talk. Okay.
Can I film you putting on deodorant?
Yeah.
Can I put this on Facebook?
Yeah. I don't want.
Look at the pantyhose.
Pantyhose, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I stuck this all over my coat. Okay. You like my stellar hair? Get a picture.
Ready? Look how cute it is.
Let me get one of yours. Now I'm dumping on my deodorant.
Oh, my nose.
We'll take crazy. After Twilight. What? Twilight. We're going to see Twilight. Brian Morales.
Well, with Brian and who else? Like tons of people, right?
Sam.
Yeah, Sam and John, Patrick, Scott.
Scott's coming?
Yeah, we're gonna make him.
Oh, okay.
And Gage is gay and wants to go to a different movie.
Well,
Gage doesn't
because Gage thinks that he's hot, so we can just go on his own.
Hey.
Zoom in on Brian's pretty little face. In the mirror? Yeah. Rachel, you
Look at her. Look at her little outfit. You let me have a profile shot.
Woo!